An overview of bundles. From your course dashboard, go to Courses and go across to the second tab, Bundles. So when you create a bundle, you're creating a package that courses go into. You can have as many courses in a bundle as you like, and that bundle can have its own individual pricing plans applied to it. There's also a lot more options within bundles, such as when people go to the course access page, they access the bundled course access page. From here, you can send people to the courses that are inside the bundles. For more information on bundles, please check out the support documentation.